Hi, my name is Norizan and I've just graduated from the ukulele course. I truly enjoyed myself because of all the trainers that we have at TravelClef. They are very sincere and genuine. So we actually had a lot of fun from the last graduation. So we actually want to extend our appreciation to all our trainers like Benjamin, Edmund, Wan Ting, Sean and all. So thank you very much everyone, and you have inspired us and motivated us, and it's not the end. We're gonna look through other courses. Alright, all the best.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back